Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Asma and today we are going to do estimation of BGL, that is blood glucose level by orthotologine method. The apparatus commonly used for performance of BGL by orthotologine method are pipette, micropipette, 3 test tubes, boiling water bath, disposable syringe, colorimeter, centrifuge tube and centrifuge machine. Now the chemical used are standard glucose solution whose concentration is 100 milligram per deciliter. Reagent uses orthotologine reagent which has the composition of orthotologine, thiourea and glacial acetic acid. An unknown solution that is going to be serum or plasma in our experiment. The principle of this test is when the glucose is heated in the presence of toluidine compound, it is converted into glucose, alanine and Schiff base, which are going to give bluish green color in the test tube. So this means when the glucose is going to be present, you are going to get bluish green color, otherwise no change in color will be seen. First step is the preparation of serum and plasma. For plasma, we are going to get 2 ml of blood and put it in the centrifuge machine and put it at the room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after centrifuge, the clear upper portion that we are going to get in the test tube is serum. Now for plasma, we are going to do the same process for the serum. That is, we are going to take the blood and put it in the centrifuge machine, but we are going to put EDTA, that is anticoagulant, in the plasma test tube. So the main difference that is going to be between plasma and serum is that the plasma is going to have clotting factor in it, while serum will have no clotting factor in it. Now the procedure is that we are going to take 3 test tubes and label them as S, U and B. The S test tube is for standard glucose solution, U test tube is for unknown solution, that is serum and plasma in our case, and the blank test tube is for water. So in the S test tube, in each test tube we are going to take respective compound or solution. Like in standard solution, we are going to take 0.5 ml of standard glucose solution with the help of micropipette and 4 ml of orthotologine reagent. In the unknown test tube, you are going to take 0.05 ml of serum or plasma and 4 ml of orthotologine reagent, and in the blank test tube you are going to add 0.05 ml of water with 4 ml of orthotologine reagent in it. Now the chemical used are standard glucose solution whose concentration is 100 milligram per deciliter. Reagent uses orthotologine reagent which has the composition of orthotologine, thiourea and glacial acetic acid. An unknown solution that is going to be serum or plasma in our experiment. Now the precaution, we are going to wash apparatus before and after the experiment. Second, disposable syringe are used that are going to be discarded after experiment. Water bath must be boiling. Reaction must be noted after the cooling of solutions. Now the causes of hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia in the blood. In hyperglycemia, there is going to be elevated level of glucose in the blood, which is going to be above 160 milligram per deciliter. The causes can be diabetes mellitus, hyperthyroidism, pancreatic disease, epinephrine administration. Now the hypoglycemia. When the blood glucose level is less than 70 milligram per deciliter, that is going to be hypoglycemia. Causes are insulinoma, insulin administration, hypopituitarism, cretinism and Addison's disease. Now these are the differences that you are going to get in Following and orthotolidine experiment. Following you are going to get highly false positive result. Orthotolidine, though it is more accurate, but the reagent are less stable and highly corrosive and carcinogenic.